Alright, so preparing the goggles should not be too hard. You sort of just, I think, open up the Velcro bit and just push this through here. And then connect it up like that. And you have two more of these thingies. These awesome thingy-mapoodles. And here we go. One goes through here. Whoa, come on. This goes in a little bit snug, guys. But that's okay because there's a thinner part in the middle. Maybe they just want it to be like that. We'll see how that goes. And the same thing we're going to have to do on the flip side here. With this going in this way. Again, a little bit on the snug side. But it should be easy enough to take care of.
Likey.